Hi guys, I'm Rivieri. Thanks for clicking my video. If you like this content, I do the same thing live on Twitch 5 days a week, 2 PM till midnight London time. Enjoy the show. Alright, set up the tutelage. Hey Jay, how you doing? I'm doing very well, thank you. Off to a good start. We've played one game, won one game. 100%. We probably should have stopped there. I've got 8 cards in the graveyard now. So, let's see the end of the story. You never know. You never know. So I gotta think about it. I think I've had 100% days in both Tessel and Hearthstone. In like, you know, decent amount of play. Not Magic yet. So would you. You can definitely survive another turn. Brutal. It's a lot of mail. I never understood it. I don't think I do. Still. $16 cards left in the deck. We just do the end of the story. We'll get a land. We're just gonna mill 6 cards. Yeah. Yeah, they do drop every few months. It's quite difficult to keep up with, really. But, you know, on the flip side, always fresh content. So close. They've got to find lethal this turn, obviously. Got 1 card left. Yeah, it's extremely expensive if you're the kind of player who enjoys, you know, creating decks and that kind of thing. So, you know, you can buy singles for a deck, and it's not too bad, really. It's still quite expensive, but, you know, it's not completely not reasonable, but if you want a full collection and actually play with it and whatnot, there's some real money. No, digitally, but paper. Yeah, IRL. Yeah. Yeah, digitally, it's, you know, yeah, definitely no worse than any other digital CCG. I think it feels that way because of such a huge collection. It's a massive library of cards.